Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Live Trading Action by InTheMoneyStocks. My name is Nick Santiago. Today is March 2nd, 2016. I'm going to show you a stock right now that everybody is very familiar with, and it's called Alphabet, better known as Google. And I'm going to use the L symbol. They have two symbols. I'm going to use GOOGL, and that's the original one. And what you're going to see here is that the stock has had a really good decline into February 11th. February 8th actually, and then it has rebounded up, and we've had a good move. But when the stock gets to around the 755, 760 level, that's where this equity should run into a wall of resistance. And what you're going to notice here is that you're going to run into a red bar high, or I should say a big sell-off bar, and that bar goes back to February 3rd, and the volume in that candle was 6.5 million shares, and you're going to see that that is very high volume normally for this equity. So we come into that, all the buyers there will be sellers. Also, if you take a look at a weekly chart, which I find this really interesting, you're going to notice that we have a high weekly bar pivot, and that's a sell-off bar. Very often markets will retrace into that sell-off bar and sell off again. So if anybody is looking to fade or short Alphabet, and that's the L symbol, the Google L. What you want to do is wait for this 760 level. It gets there. I think it's a very good, excellent risk-reward scenario for more downside. Now, the big question is, how low can it go? Well, you're going to have the double bottom down here. You're going to have the 200 here. But ultimately, if this does break down, you could see this go as low as $620. So just due to laws of symmetry, that would put you in a projection of 620 if we really get a hard sell in this market, which is still very possible. Right now, markets are floating higher. Markets are behaving pretty well. Google L today is down about $5, but yesterday it had a big thrusting move higher, so this is not a big deal. But either way, you look for that 755, 760 level, and I think that's a spot where traders can step into Google L on the short side. So again, if you want to trade this alongside of us, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the Research Center. You'll get all of our nightly chart setups. You can trade this alongside of us. You'll also get all of our cycle work, and on top of that, we have two times a week we hold a No Hype Live broadcast where traders get to come in, they get to meet us, they get to ask us questions about the market, and in fact we are holding one of those tomorrow night at 5:15 p.m. East Coast time. So again, good time to get involved in the Research Center program, and you'll see everything that we're doing. So with that being said, I'd like to wish you all a great trading day, and we will see you on the charts.